Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we will be giving you the method for removing your Edge from your Windows, since the Edge is pre-installed and cannot be removed like a normal app from the settings in some cases. So you can follow up the steps. Head over to your file manager for that and open it up. Once you go ahead and open it up, what you need to do is go to this PC right here, and from this PC, go to your local disk and open it up. Once you are here, you will be finding your files here. Go to Program Files and open it up. And from here, go ahead and look out for your Microsoft. Now, under Microsoft, look out for Edge and expand it. And from there, go to Application. And here you will be finding your version of Edge available. So right click on this folder right here, and you need to select this option for opening in terminal. Just go ahead and do so, and that should open up this here. So here, just go ahead and type in this commands that we will be leaving. You can just go ahead and copy and paste it, which should be this right here. And after that is done, you can hit enter, and it should just go ahead and delete the file that you're looking for. You can just go ahead and confirm it after you do so, and it should be deleted permanently from your Windows. And that is the method available. You can also try uninstalling from your settings if available. Hit Windows plus I for that and go to apps. And from apps, you can go to installed apps. And from here, go ahead and look out for Microsoft Edge if that is available here. And basically, go ahead and click on three dot right beside it and look out for the install option. Confirm it, and that should do it. And remember that some Windows updates might reinstall the Edge because it's integrated in the system. So if you want to remove it, you can try out this method and see if it works. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips.